welcome to Staying Engaged. I'm Carrolyn from Conley Guerrero Senior Activity Center. Here we're getting ready for the holidays, and in order to do that, we're going to make a holiday lamp. This is just a beautiful little lamp with the little fairy lights inside, and we will give you all the supplies that you need. But if you need more, the lamp is from IKEA. The fairy lights you'll have to order online probably, but maybe you can find them at a craft store. But make sure you get the ones with the small little battery here. You will need fabric, scissors, a paintbrush, the glue, which we will provide, and a pen. To get started, what you will need to do is to remove all the little glass panels from your lantern. Inside you will see that there are brackets at the bottom and the top. And all you have to do is lift up these top brackets and the glass will just fall right out. Then you'll need to take one of those, and pretending that this is your fabric, you would lay it down on the fabric and draw around it 6 times, because you're going to cut 6 different pieces. Six. When that's complete, of course, you cut your fabric into your little strips and you're ready to go. You will notice that the glass on these little lanterns has a star that matches the star on the top. The star is very pretty, and some people want that little star to continue to show. If you do that, then what you will need to do on your glass panel is put the glue behind this, on the glass behind the star, and then put your fabric. And then if you don't care if the star shines or not, then you can glue over the star with your fabric facing out. You'll always want your fabric to face outward, of course. When everything is dry, then you're going to insert, oh, one more thing. Sometimes once you glue things on, you'll see that it needs to be trimmed. Go ahead and do that. And when everything is dry, just drop your little piece of glass down into this bottom bracket and then close the top bracket like so, and you are ready to go. The next thing that you would need to do, of course, is to insert your fairy lights. And once that's done, you have your beautiful holiday lantern. Hope you enjoy this project, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.